Hiccups. Kipper was having fun with Lee. They had a drink. "Hic," said Kipper. He had hiccups. "Quick, get a cup of water," said Lee. "Did that get rid of the hiccups?" said Lee. "Hic," said Kipper. "Hic." "Drink it like this," said Biff. "Did that get rid of them?" said Biff. "Hic," said Kipper. "Try hopping and patting your tum," said Chip. "Has that got rid of them?" said Chip. "Hic," said Kipper. "A shock will get rid of it," said Biff. "Shh," said Biff. Then... Boo! "You did it," said Kipper. "You got rid of my hiccups." "Hiccup," said Grandpa Chen. "Hic."